Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my Opulent Muse Afghan. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, front post single crochet stitch, and be familiar with the Miss Bliss stitch. I have videos on all of those, and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 4 plus 2. I have already made 154 chains for my example blanket. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to make 3 chains, skip 3 chains, and then into the next chain, make a single crochet. And you're going to start repeating this. Make 3 chains, to skip 3 chains, into this next chain, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, to skip 3 chains, into this next chain, single crochet. And that's how everything is looking so far. So you would start repeating this sequence by making 3 chains to skip 3 chains, then make a single crochet into the next chain for the rest of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. Into the first stitch in this row, make a double crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You're going to skip the next chain space into the next stitch, make 3 double crochet. And that is it. You're going to start repeating, skip this next chain space in this next stitch, 3 double crochet. Skip this next chain space into this next stitch, 3 double crochet. You can see how everything is looking so far. You're now going to repeat this sequence by skipping any previous chain space and working 3 double crochet into this next stitch until you reach the last stitch in this row. Once you get to the end of your row and you only have 1 stitch left, you're going to skip the last chain space, and then into this last stitch you're going to work 2 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch in this row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Make 3 chains. Then you're going to skip to the middle double crochet of the next set of 3 previous double crochet. So there's 1, 2, 3 right here. You're going to be working over this middle double crochet, making a front post single crochet. So you're going to go around that middle double crochet, grab that yarn, pull it around that stitch, then make a single crochet like normal. Now you're going to start repeating, make 3 chains, skip to the middle double crochet of the next set of 3, make a front post single crochet around that stitch. Make 3 chains, skip to the middle double crochet of the next set of 3, make a front post single crochet around that stitch, make 3 chains, skip to the middle double crochet of this next set of 3, make a front post single crochet around that stitch. Now that's how everything is looking. You're going to start repeating by making 3 chains to skip to any previous set of 3 double crochet. Then over the middle double crochet of that set of 3, make a front post single crochet. You're going to start repeating this sequence until you reach the last stitch in this row. Once you get to the end of your row, you're only going to have a stitch and some chains left. You're going to skip that last stitch and then to the top of these last chains at the end of this row and make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I'm going to continue on and come back when my blanket is complete. So this is how my blanket is looking. I ended up making 80 rows total for a throw size. And that is going to be how to make my Opulent Muse Afghan. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.